Hello there YouTubers, so this is going to be a really quick video about the YouTube algorithm and the way that it works. At least it's going to give you a little bit of an insight. This is our experimental channel, I would say. We're posting a few interesting videos and interesting experiments that we're doing from time to time. You can see that we haven't really posted for a very long time, but our main channel that we're really going after and developing is this YouCan channel. Be able to see that we have a lot better stats here. Nevertheless, let's get back to our Webbaker channel, because this channel gives us a very interesting insight into Google and YouTube algorithms. Going to see 365 days span. You'll see that the chart really goes up and down. If we're going to zoom in into the last 90 days, you'll see that there is a very consistent periodic up and down sequence to the chart. Now, why is that so important? It's important because what YouTube does, it basically takes your content and sends it out to people to see if you're going to get any traction with that content. Obviously, if YouTube is not sending traffic to your channel or to your videos, you're not really going to get any traffic, but YouTube is not going to be able to measure anything either. So it's something that YouTube needs to check out and see how your channel is doing, if it's going to send you a bit of traffic, and you can also use that as an opportunity to attract more views, more people to your channel, and thus grow your channel. So if you're learning how to make money online or generate passive income, or if you want to become a YouTube influencer, all of that is possible, but what you need to realize is that there is a very specific sequence of YouTube testing process to test if your channel, what your channel is doing, how people are interacting with your videos. So when you're going to launch your YouTube channel at the very first at the start, you're not really going to see any of this. You're going to see maybe like 1 view or 2 views per day, maybe 1 view or 2 views per month. But the thing is that keep on producing videos and you'll eventually get to something like this. Once you get to this state where you have 110, basically 50 views per day, that's a solid platform from which you can scale your channel. So now that we got it to this point, the next step would be to generate really good high quality content, and it will take off. If you want to learn more about the way that YouTube works, again, as I mentioned before, this is our experimental channel. We have another channel that actually is making money on YouTube right now. Check us out. My company is webbaker.com. We do web development, graphic design, search engine optimization, and a bunch of other things. So if you're looking for any of those services, you're welcome to contact me, and we'll be happy to work with you. Thanks.